In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Enter Your Answer in Microsoft Forms. First, you will want to open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser that you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once the search results appear, look for the official Microsoft Forms link. This is crucial to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. When you find it, click on the link to navigate to the Microsoft Forms homepage. This sets the stage for the next steps in customizing your form. Once you have the Microsoft Forms page open, you may need to log in if prompted. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials to access the platform. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Logging in is important because it allows you to save your changes and access your forms anytime. After successfully logging in, you're ready to proceed to your forms. Now locate and open your form or quiz in Microsoft Forms. You should see a list of forms you have created or have access to. Clicking on the right form will bring it up for editing. This is where you can begin to make your adjustments. Ensure that you select the correct form, as this step is crucial for making the desired changes. Once your form is open, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. Next up, click on your text question card. The text question card is where you will be able to add or change information related to your question. You will see various components of your form, and the text question card will be one of them. Selecting this card allows you to edit the specific question you want to work on. This step is essential because it puts you in the right place to clarify instructions for your respondents. After that, click the three dots in the bottom right corner of that question block. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. It provides you with additional features and settings for that particular question. By selecting this menu, you open up further editing options that can enhance your question layout. This little step is key, as it gives you access to the customization features you need. From there, select Subtitle from the options that appear. The subtitle feature allows you to add additional context to your question. This text will appear directly above the input line for your answer. It can serve as a helpful guide for respondents, making it clear what information you expect them to provide. This is a great way to enhance user experience on your form. Now type your custom instruction. This is the moment where you can specify exactly what you want your respondents to do. For example, if you want to ask for their favorite color, you could write, "Please enter your favorite color below." This text displays prominently, ensuring that users see it before they answer. Customizing this instruction is vital because it clarifies what you are asking, reducing confusion and improving response quality. By following these steps, you can effectively guide users without changing the default "Enter your answer placeholder" text. Remember, while you cannot edit that specific text, adding clear instructions helps respondents understand what is needed. This approach makes your form more user-friendly and tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!